You will be amazed by this 2010 Honda CR-V. With less than 200,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Take a closer look at this stylish and up-for-anything CR-V. Its innovative design, premium feel, all-weather capability, and advanced safety and connectivity technology sets the standard for small SUVs and crossovers. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, electronic stability control, alarm, traction control, tire pressure monitoring system, passenger vanity mirror, MP3 player, trip computer, driver vanity mirror, bucket seats. Being adventurous never felt so refined. Treat yourself to a road test in the Honda CR-V and enjoy an exceptional driving experience.